Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus to an Android device. Firstly, just go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, tap on the same options. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second device, I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, hit History at the bottom of both devices to get rid of Ads pop-up. This way you won't see it later on. Just hit wherever you wish to decide if you want to personalize your ad experience. Wherever you decided, click on Close this window and choose Receive next to History at the bottom of an Android. Then Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Also on Samsung, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can choose all of your files that you wish to send. When you finished, just hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at this code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. So when I click, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!